Alright, so I love the guys. So basically, this one going to be watermelon and some kiwi. Alright, we got some beautiful kiwi here, and it's gonna simple remove the skin from the kiwi. Alright, we got watermelon and kiwi. And to be honest, you don't need to have no honey, no sweetener, no sugar. That's natural. Nice one. So we're just gonna simply cut up the kiwi with the watermelon. It's summer, that's why you see I make a lot of juice in summer, all different kind of recipe, guys. I'm gonna put a little piece of a ginger in it. Beautiful. Now you don't need no ice, no water, no sugar, no butter, no milk. Just gonna simple blend it natural. Beautiful one. Simple kiwi with watermelon. Very nice and lovely recipe, guys. Honestly, it's just fantastic and amazing. And the flavor between it is just miraculous. So tune in. We have a lot more ideas and recipes. So let's serve it up. Nice one. So as you can see, that looking lovely. And here it is how it goes. Beautiful. So please enjoy that one and subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen again with some more recipes like that. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned. Beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo. Marvelous one. Alright, see you next time.